Hello! Welcome back to Englinity, your English learning channel. My name is Alex, and I am very happy to see you today. Today is very exciting because we will learn how to introduce ourselves in English. Sometimes I feel a little nervous when I meet new people. Do you feel nervous too? That is okay. Feeling nervous is normal. Today, I will help you feel confident and speak slowly. Before we start, I want to ask you, are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax, smile. Learning English is fun and easy when we practice together. If you like learning English slowly means and clearly, please like this video and subscribe to Englinity. This really helps me make more videos for you. I am happy you are here. Together, we will practice slowly. Repeat words, speak clearly. Sometimes I say to myself, Alex, you can do this. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Now, it is your turn. Say to yourself, I can do this. I can speak English. Are you ready? Great. Let's start today. Now, let's imagine you are in a class. A new friend is sitting next to you. You want to say, hello, but you feel a little nervous. What should I say?
I think, hello?
My name is Alex. Yes, that is good. You can say slowly, hello, my name is Alex. What is your name? Let's try together. Hello, my name is Alex. Pause and repeat slowly. Sometimes we can also say, hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Let's say it together, slowly. Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. New word, meet, when you see someone for the first time. Example, I meet new people every day. Meeting someone new is always a little exciting and sometimes a little nervous. Alex thinks, okay, take a deep breath. Smile. I can do this. Now, imagine your new friend smiles back at you. You feel happy. Yes, this is good. Let's practice one more time. 1. Hello, my name is Alex. What is your name? 2. Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Great. Mini dialogue for practice. Alex thinks, should I say something else? Alex says, it is nice to meet you. Alex thinks, yes, I am happy. I said it slowly, clearly. Practice tip. Repeat the phrases out loud, slowly, with a smile. Hello, my name is Alex. Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. It is nice to meet you. Remember, slow, clear, confident, and friendly. Now, take a moment and say these phrases out loud, slowly. Imagine you are meeting a real friend, and saying these words, it feels good, doesn't it? Now, your new friend smiles and says, hi, I'm Sarah. Alex thinks, okay, what should I say? You can answer slowly. Nice to meet you, Sarah. Let's say it together, slowly. Nice to meet you, Sarah. Great. Another phrase you can use is, I am happy to meet you. Let's try, slowly. I was happy to meet you. New word, happy, feeling good, or joy. Example, I am happy today. I am happy to meet new friends. Alex thinks, I want to ask a question to know more about Sarah. A simple question is, where are you from? Let's say it together, slowly. Where are you from? This is a very common question. When we meet someone new, imagine. Sarah smiles and answers, I am from Pakistan. Alex thinks, okay, that is nice. I can reply, slowly, oh, I'm from Pakistan too. Or, wow, Pakistan. That is great. Mini practice, repeat after me. Heading 1. Nice to meet you, Sarah. 2. I am happiest to meet you.
Hey, where are you from?
Sure, I'm from Pakistan. Alex thinks to himself, Talking to a new friend is fun. I feel happy. I said it slowly, clearly. Now, let's add another little practice. Imagine you are thinking, what else can I say? Alex says, "It is nice to meet you, Sarah." Alex smiles and says quietly, "I feel happy I had today." Practice tip. Repeat all phrases slowly. Nice to meet you, Sarah. I am happy to meet you. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. Feel the words. Say them slowly. Smile. And imagine your new friend is listening. Talking with new people is always a little exciting and a little nervous. But when you speak slowly and clearly, it is easier and fun. Now, let's continue with the story. After a few minutes, you and Sarah are still talking. You feel a little more relaxed, a little more comfortable. Alex thinks, maybe I can say something nice, something small, something friendly. You can say, "I like your backpack," or "I like your shoes."
Let's say it slowly.
I like your backpack.
Again.
I like your backpack. Now the second one.
I like your shoes.
New word, like to enjoy or feel good about something. Example, I like coffee. I like music. I like learning English. Alex thinks, saying something nice feels good and makes the other person feel happy too. Now, Sarah smiles and says, "Thank you." Alex feels happy with and thinks, "Oh wow, I can speak, I can talk, I can make a friend." Now, let's repeat some main phrases from today. Say them with me, slowly, with a smile. Hello, my name is Alex. 2. Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. 3. Nice to meet you, Sarah. 4. I'm happy to meet you. 5. Where are you from? 6. I like your backpack. Let's do them again, slowly. Hello, my name is Alex. 2. Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. 3. Nice to meet you, Sarah. 4. I'm happy to meet you. 5. Where are you from? I like your backpack. Great job, Alex thinks to himself. This feels good. I can speak English slowly, clearly, and confidently. Talking with new people is fun. When we take our time, when we smile, when we speak slowly, and when we practice these simple phrases every day. Now, let's learn a few extra phrases. These phrases will help you when you meet new people. We will say them slowly and clearly. Phrase number 1. It's my first day here.
Let's say it slowly.
It's my first day here.
Again.
It's my first day here. Phrase number 2. I am your age, years old. Let's try it with an example. I am 20 years old. Again, slowly. I am 20 years old. Phrase number 3. I am a student. Slowly.
I am a student.
One more time. I am a student. Phrase number 4. I like reading books.
Let's say it slowly.
I like reading books.
Again.
I like reading books. Phrase number 5. I'm learning English. This is a good one. Say it with me. I am learning English.
Again.
I'm learning English. Let's repeat all 5 phrases one more time, slowly. 1. It's my first day here. 2. I am 20 years old. I am a student. Oh, I like reading books. 5. I'm learning English. Great job. Alex thinks, these phrases are simple, but very useful. You can use them anytime when you meet someone new. Now, it is your turn to practice. I want you to speak with me slowly and clearly. Let's start with 2 simple questions. Question number 1. What is your name? Say it with me. What is your name? Question number 2. Where are you from?
Let's say it slowly.
Where are you from? Good, very good. Now, I want you to answer these questions in the comments. Write your answer and also say it out loud, slowly. For example,
My name is Alex.
I am from Pakistan. You can do it too. Speak slowly, speak clearly, speak with confidence. Alex thinks, When we speak out loud, again and again, we learn faster. We feel stronger. We feel more confident. So now, take a moment. Think of your answer and say it out loud with a smile. My name is... I am from... Great job. I will read your comments, and I am excited to know you more. Now, let's take a moment to remember what we learned today. Today, we learned how to introduce ourselves in English. We practiced slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Let's say the main phrases one more time together.
Hello, my name is...
Hi, I'm nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am happy to meet you. I like your backpack. I'm learning English. You did great. Every small step makes your English better. Every slow practice makes your confidence stronger. Now, I want to tell you something important. On Englinity, we are starting a special program, a 30-day English challenge. For 30 days, we will learn English, step by step, every day. One simple lesson, one small practice, one new skill. Alex thinks, 30 days, little by little, we can grow. We can speak better. We can feel confident. Today was day 1. You completed it. Good job. Tomorrow will be day 2. On day 2, we will learn how to say hello and how to make small talk in easy English. It will be simple, slow, and fun. So please like this video and subscribe to Englinity because your support helps me make more slow English lessons for you. Thank you for joining me for day 1. I'm very happy you are here, and I am excited to see you again tomorrow. Take care, speak slowly, and stay confident. Bye for now.